again, we're coming to you from the 2020 annual dealer meeting here at Harley-Davidson in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This is a brand new 2020 Road King. This one comes from the factory with the 107 Milwaukee engine in it. This one is Billiard Red. Have the new dual bending valve front suspension and rear emulsion shocks. The new Slicer 2 cast aluminum wheels. The king size Harley-Davidson Detachable Windshield. One of the things that's available as an option on this year Road King is the new Reflex Defensive Rider Systems, or RDRS technology. That is an option available on the 2020 Road King.